So Patra reminds me a lot of Athens, the way it looks. Here, take a look. Very much an Athens vibe. So it's not a very pretty city, but there's some cool stuff to see here, so. Alright guys, just finished climbing those 5 flights of stairs again. By the time I'm done, I should be a little bit better in shape. Just finished eating lunch. It's big lunch. And the registration girl, she gave me an awesome restaurant. Probably going back there again tomorrow. For just a little over €6, I got like a big plate of vegetables. I got a thing of moussaka, which came with fries, plus water. And it was pretty hefty portions. This restaurant kind of was like a self-serve kind of, like not self-serve, but kind of like an a la carte. And literally the guy said to me, this is how it works. You go up, you see what mama cooked for the day, and you pick what you want. And I was like, okay, it's different, but it was so good. So number one of my tips would be, make sure you ask your registration girl or guy, the person at registration, like if they have any suggestions, because where it hasn't really benefited me so far, this is the first time it really benefited me. But so much so that I think I'm just gonna keep trying. So take that as an advisement. All right guys, I'm gonna get some work done. See you in a bit. I couldn't take any video, you guys. I did take some pictures. The museum is actually really good for probably like about an hour. It's a €6 entrance fee, which is really not that bad. It has a really cool exhibition on cemeteries and burial, which I know seems morbid, but it's kind of something I'm into. So now I'm gonna walk the 30 minutes back, maybe grab a snack from the bakery when I get there, and then try to find my way to the castle and see if that's not too far out of my my reach. I'm being really adventurous in some ways because honestly I have no idea where I'm going. So let's get to this walk and find my way back to where I know what is going on. All right. Alright guys, I was super stoked to see the castle, but I'm just going to be real honest with you. I did not and this, in no way, going to be able to make it up. That So I think the castle is off of the list for this time. We'll have to come back and see it. There's a bunch of other like archaeological sites around that I'd like to see too. So we're gonna start our way back. I think I'm gonna pick up some food to go because I'm not hungry, but I know I'm not making it up and down that 5 flights of stairs. So I'm gonna stop by Toulouse's, which is where I ate yesterday. It was amazing. Head back to the hotel and get some work done. Alright guys, here I am, huffing and puffing again. Got up to my room. 5 flights of stairs. If I can't make it up 5 flights, there's no way I'm making up those stairs. So before I end this this video, I kind of want to give you my thoughts on Patras and such. So like I said in the beginning, it kind of reminds me a lot of Athens. Very like graffiti ridden, kind of a dirty city, but there's something about it. The people here are very friendly. So I guess what I'd like you guys to realize is just because the city looks rough and tumbled and you can definitely sense the economic downturn, give it a chance, because where the two cities, Athens and Patras, both shine is the experiences, the people, the culture. Don't let looks deceive you. So I would say give Patras a good 2 to 3 days. There's a lot of stuff to see, and there's stuff surrounding the town that I suggest if you're into history and archaeological things to see. I only have today, so I did the archaeological museum. Kind of bummed I'm not going to hit the castle, but I'm just realistic. I don't want to die. And yeah, so I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to end it with doing what I normally do. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to check it out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and until next video, guys, safe journey.